In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your birthday to your profile on Telegram step by step. This works on the latest Telegram version and only takes a minute to do. Adding your birthday helps friends get notified and makes your profile more complete. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram and app tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop. Once Telegram is open, look at the bottom or side menu and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see your profile information at the top. Tap on the Edit button to make changes to your profile. Now scroll down until you find the birthday option and tap on it. Here, you can start entering your date of birth. First, select or enter your day. Next, choose your month from the list. After that, enter your birth year. Double check that all the details are correct. Once everything looks good, tap on Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your birthday is now added to your Telegram profile successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching.